Hi there, my name is Benno. Welcome to Benno's Bike Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to blend up a perfect e-bike. Lots of bikes out there. We'll pick some for you that we think make good ingredients for the shake, and we'll see what happens. So we'll take in a European city bike, traditional design, good looks, okay ride, and just a small rack so it can't carry very much. So very good. Then we have a city cargo bike, can carry a little bit more. So not bad. Here you go. A long tail cargo bike, so that definitely can carry a lot. Has a really long rack, couple kids, long loads. But if you don't ride with a load, could look a little bit funny. And of course it's hard to ride, hard to store. Goes in the blender. The bucket cargo bike is like the ultimate, you know. I mean, you can carry pretty much anything. 3 kids, 4 kids, refrigerators. However, if you don't have a load, it may be a little bit more bike than you want to ride. A little hard to ride and hard to store. So it's in the blender. And here we got a cool idea. It's a compact cargo bike. It stores very well, so if you live in Tokyo, this is a perfect bike for you. However, small bike, small ride, and I think maybe it looks a little funny, but great idea, great thought, goes in the blender. I think maybe all of these bikes could use a little more flavor, so we add a little salt and we add a little sugar for sweetness. It could be sweeter too. We'll take some Tabasco and make them really spicy. And then here we got some mint from the garden and for the coolness factor. Here's our ingredients and let's go. And see what we got. What we got in here is a lot of blended stuff, good flavors. And we have a 24-inch Benno Boost utility bike. So it's all of these bikes combined in one. So when you blend a bunch of cool bikes, you get a boost. There you have it. Thank you. And see you next time. Bye-bye.